Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your business profile on Google My Business. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your business profile on Google My Business, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google My Business website. Log in using the Google account associated with your business profile. If you can't access your account, click on Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it. Once logged in, select the business profile you wish to recover. If your business isn't listed, click on Add Your Business and enter your business name. Afterward, follow the on-screen instructions to verify ownership. If your profile is marked as inactive or suspended, look for the notification explaining the issue. Click on the Fix button next to the notification for more details. Read the reasons provided and make the necessary changes to your profile. If you can't locate the Fix button, head to the Support section. Here, choose the option for Contact Us to reach Google Support. Provide them with detailed information about your business and the issues you're facing. Include any relevant documentation or verification that can assist in your request. After submitting your information, wait for a response from Google Support. This may take a few days, so be patient during the process. Once your request is reviewed, follow any further instructions sent by Google. After successfully recovering your profile, review all details to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, keep your business profile updated regularly to avoid future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.